Hey there! Want to shop on Etsy in your own currency? In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the currency in the Etsy app step by step, so let's get right into it. First, open the Etsy app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Now, from the home screen, look at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Once your profile menu opens, scroll down and tap on Settings from the list of options. In the Settings menu, you'll see several options. Look for Select Currency and tap on it. Etsy will now display a full list of supported currencies. Take your time to scroll through and select the currency you want to use. Once you tap on your preferred currency, the change is applied automatically. There's no need to press a Save button. Etsy will instantly begin showing all prices in the new currency across the app. And that's it. You've now successfully updated your currency on Etsy. This small change can make a big difference when browsing listings or checking out prices more accurately. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more app how-tos, and let us know in the comments where you're shopping from today.